The Liebmann? The Shark or O-Cedar? Perhaps the Bona or the Rubbermaid? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 spray mops available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best spray mops. The 5th product on our list is the O-Cedar Pro Mist. Are you looking for a spray mop to keep your floor always looking clean? Look no further than the O-Cedar Pro Mist spray mop, specially built with absorbent microfiber to help you clean your floor with ease. The O-Cedar has a double-sided mop head that you can flip to change to the other side when one side gets dirty without going through the stress of changing a mop head. It is equipped with a large capacity refillable bottle to allow you to use your spray mop for long after a refill. Unlike so many spray mops in the market that cannot clean very fine particles, the O-Cedar can scour the smallest particles of dirt on your floor with its mop head that has the power of 1,000 microfibers. It is one of the most versatile spray mops available and can be used dry when you want to dust the floor or wet when you have to do a thorough cleanup. We liked that this spray mop has a bottle that can be removed for refilling with just a touch, so you don't have to go through the stress of trying to release the bottles of those less advanced spray mops on the market. One of the most remarkable features of this spray mop that users love so much is its durable mop pad that is reusable to save you from spending unnecessarily to buy another mop pad. Unlike some mop heads that you have to wash manually, O-Cedar has a mop pad that is machine washable. You can wash it up to 100 times without it showing any sign of fraying. It has an ergonomically designed handle that enables you to work with it for long without getting tired. Lastly, you can easily control the amount of water you spray on the floor with its built-in trigger. Its pros are, it does not require a battery, saving you money and weight. It can be used both wet and dry, and its mop pad head can be flipped 180 degrees to reduce time spent changing heads. However, it may be difficult to assemble for some people. The O-Cedar Pro Mist spray mop is specially designed to help homeowners to carry out deep and thorough cleaning of their floors. Up next in 4th place is the Bona spray mop. Scheduled home cleaning is something no one looks forward to without the right equipment. That is why superior spray mops like the Bona spray mop are highly recommended for everyone. It is one of the best floor cleaning equipment for different floor types like sealed tile, laminate, vinyl, linoleum, terrazzo, sealed marble, stone, and lots more. So no matter the type of modern floor you have, Bona comes in handy for you. When it comes to speed, this spray mop is leading the competition with its extra large mop pad, which cleans about 40% more than many other spray mops on the market. As a bonus for every Bona user, it comes with 34 ounces of cleaner fluid, so it's ready to use right away. We liked that the Bona has a reusable microfiber cleaning pad to enable you to spend less on changing the cleaning pad. We also liked that you could attach its parts with ease and also detach them to allow you to store them in smaller spaces. What's more, unlike other spray mops, the Bona can be tossed into the washing machine for easy cleaning up to 500 times. Its pros are, it comes with cleaning fluid saving you money, it has flexible rubber corners so you can reach every area, and it is machine washable for easy maintenance. However, it is heavier than other spray mops on our list. The Bona spray mop is a versatile mop built to make everyone look forward to a scheduled cleaning with much relief. Still haven't found a spray mop that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on our list is the Liebmann Freedom Kit. Are you tired of using one of those spray mops in the market that may force you to stop work due to low quality and capacity? You need a very reliable spray mop like the Liebmann Freedom Kit built with the latest technology for sanitation. It has a built-in hand pump for spraying your mixed cleaning solution evenly on the floor with ease. One of the reasons Liebmann remains one of the top choices of most homeowners and janitors is that its mop head can swivel 360 degrees to enable you to reach those corners that are difficult to reach with the regular spray mops. Its mopping head is built with microfibers that are gentle on your floor to avoid scratching it and, at the same time, tough on stains, so that it can clean off the most formidable of all stains. Furthermore, you can use a washing machine to clean it up to 500 times and it will still be in good shape, so there's no need for manual washing. It is suitable for hardwood, linoleum, tile, ceramic, vinyl, and lots more, making it one of the most versatile spray mops around today. Its pros are, it has a reusable mop pad that will last a long time, it has a light build to make it maneuverable over any floor type, and it has a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. However, its height is not adjustable, which can be annoying. The Liebmann Freedom Kit is a powerful spray mop built to enable you to clean your floors without interruption for a long time to come. The second product on our list is the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray. Why go for different spray mops for different surfaces when you can get one spray mop designed for a whole range of floor types like Rubbermaid? This spray mop is specially designed to meet the commercial grades, so if you have to clean large places like banks, extensive family homes, hotels, and hostels, this is perfect spray mop for you. This versatile spray mop is suitable for hardwood, tiles, vinyl, and laminate. It also cleans about 50% more dirt, making it one of the best for tending places that are difficult to reach with traditional mops. We liked that it has a non-scratch scrubber that will remove every stubborn spot on your floor without scratching the floor. It has a refillable bottle of 22-ounce capacity that enables you to mix your unique cleaning solution anytime. Unlike so many spray mops in the market that you have to read the manual several times before use, the Rubbermaid is very easy to use. You only need to fill it up and you are ready to get your floors sparkling again. It has a reusable mopping pad that is cost-effective and also easy to maintain, as you can wash it with a washing machine up to 100 times. All the materials used in manufacturing this spray mop are of high quality, which is why it has a track record of outlasting so many other spray mops in the market. It is also made to reduce the problems associated with over-soaking floors, as it has a trigger that can be finely adjusted to spray as little or as much cleaning solution as you need. Its pros are, it has 3 reusable mopping pads, making it ideal for large homes. It has an excellent scrubbing pad for those stubborn stains, and it is robustly constructed, so it will withstand daily use. However, its handle cannot be bent or folded, so you need a reasonable amount of space to store it properly. The Rubbermaid Reveal Spray is a versatile device specially designed for cleaning large floor surfaces and commercial spaces. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top spray mop is the Shark VM252. For smaller homes and when you're short on time, cleaning a reusable mop pad after each use can be a hassle, as you have to deal with a whole range of additional steps before you can use it again. That is why spray mops with disposable mop pads like the Shark VM252 come highly recommended for everyone. We like that this unit has a powerful suction action that enables it to pick the tiniest particles of dirt that ordinary spray mops simply cannot clean. If you ever want to get your floor shining again, this is one of your best bets, as it has 12 ounces of cleaning solution that you can spray on the floor and get to work. We like that you do not have to worry about touching a dirty pad, as all you need to do is press a button and the dirty pad will be discarded. It also utilizes a durable, rechargeable battery that saves you effort and allows you to work for a long time after each charge. What's more, cleaning at night and under furniture has been made easier with Shark, as it has a headlight that enables you to see every speck of dirt on the floor while mopping to ensure that you do not miss a spot. We also liked that you could go cordless with this battery-powered spray mop to avoid the problem of trying to control long cables while working. So, if you're in need of a quick, convenient, and efficient way to get your floors sparkling again, this is a unit for you. Its pros are, it has 4 highly effective disposable pads that can be effortlessly replaced. It has a 1-year limited warranty for your peace of mind. It is effortless to use thanks to the power-assisted features, and it has a compact design that is perfect for any home. However, it may generate a little noise. The Shark VM252 is an amazingly good battery-powered spray mop with disposable pads that allows you to finish your cleaning in no time without ever touching the dirty pad. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.